Welcome to the video. I'll be going over on how to remove the headlights of a EX35, which also applies to the EX37 and QX50. First, we need to pull back the fender flare and then the fender liner so we can get access to the screw that's holding the bumper in. If you have all your OEM mounting points, yours should be a push clip and not a screw like this. And once we have the fender flare pulled back along with the fender liner, the screw will be located right above this here. To get to it, use a Phillips screwdriver. And now that we have the screw removed, we can do the same to the other side. If you have this lower splash shield, you could get away with leaving it on, since you only need to drop the bumper slightly to get access to the bolts for the headlights. But since I'm doing additional repairs, I do need it out of my way. Up top, we need to remove the push clips holding the bumper in. With the upper clips removed, we can pull the bumper out of its clips. Like I said before, you can get away with just pulling the bumper out, let it hang just a little bit. And with the bumper removed or pulled back, there'll be 4 bolts and a push clip holding the headlight in. And up top will actually be a push clip and a bolt. And for the passenger side, it'll be the same thing. The mounting tab here from mine is broken. And now let's say you removed all the bolts and the push clips holding it in. Last thing to do is unplug this plug. You can't really get your finger in there to push this tab, so I'm using a couple flathead screwdriver to push and pry the plug out. And that's more or less how you remove your headlights on the EX35, 37, QX50. Thanks for watching.